In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set a DocuSign document to expire, so recipients can only sign it within a specific time frame. Setting an expiration date is extremely important when you're working with contracts, agreements, or time-sensitive documents, and you don't want them sitting open forever. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can confidently control your envelope expiration settings inside DocuSign. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, go to DocuSign and log into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, navigate to the Agreement section. This is where you'll see all of your sent documents and envelopes. Make sure you're viewing your sent envelopes so you can locate the document you want to modify. Next, find the specific document that you want to set to expire. On the right-hand side of that document, you'll see 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots to open the Action menu. This menu gives you additional options for managing the envelope after it has already been sent. From the drop-down options, click on Correct. The Correct option allows you to make changes to an envelope that is still in progress. This is the feature you'll use if the document hasn't been completed yet and you need to adjust settings like expiration. After clicking Correct, the document will open in the Preparation view. Now look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on Settings. This is where you can manage advanced envelope configurations, including reminders and expiration rules. Inside the Settings panel, you'll see an option labeled Expiration. Go ahead and click on Expiration to expand those settings. This is the section that controls how long recipients have to sign the document before it becomes void. Now, enable envelope expiration. Once selected, you'll be able to define how many days the recipient has to complete the signing process. For example, you can set the envelope to expire in 3 days, 7 days, 14 days, or any time frame that fits your needs. Choose the number of days that make sense for your agreement. Setting a clear expiration timeframe helps create urgency and ensures documents don't remain pending indefinitely. After selecting your expiration timeframe, make sure to review any additional options such as sending reminders before the document expires. This can be helpful to automatically notify recipients so they don't miss the deadline. Once everything looks good, save your changes, then complete the correction process to resend the updated envelope. DocuSign will now enforce the expiration rule you selected. If the recipient does not sign the document within the specified timeframe, the envelope will automatically expire. And that's it. That's exactly how you set a DocuSign document to expire. It only takes a few clicks, but it gives you much better control over your agreements and deadlines. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow DocuSign and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.